So today's project is going to be simple probe for my mill, where I can set the proper tool height every time I change tools. Today is a little bit tricky. I had to eyeball it, kind of, but I'm going to make a probe to make these settings more accurate and precise. So I'm going to make a simple drawing, try to explain what I'm trying to do here. First of all, I'm going to have a piston like this. A little bit of a something like this, I'm thinking. And outside of it, it's going to be a housing, and like such, about. Maybe like so. I think you understand. You see. In this case, I'm going to have a spring in here, and I'm going to have a bolt in here that's attached in the piston out there. And by doing this, I'm going to have this spring loaded, so when I push with the tool here, it's going to be pushing to a spring loaded surface, so it's not going to push against something that's hard and so on, so you can crash a tool. So this is the simple device I'm going to make. I'm going to make something like this with some kind of attachment for a cable. And I'm going to push the other, if I write the mill here, I'm going to have a clamp or something like that. So yeah, so the material I'm planning to use is aluminium and some plastic. For the housing, I'm going to use 30 millimeters of aluminium, and for the piston I'm going to use 20 millimeters because my end mills aren't bigger than that. And to insulate it from the bottom, I'm going to put a little bit of plastic in the bottom, so because otherwise this wouldn't work actually. And I'm going to do this pretty much on the fly, I hope. I'm not going to make up a full drawing of it, so hopefully this will work. The actual size of this is not very important because you will set it anyway, and you can adjust it with a little screw, also spring-loaded screw. Where's my... There it is. It's always good to have some oil on it. Maybe we should go down a little bit. Let's see. We want to have a 6 millimeter hole in this. For an M6 bolt, so how long should it be? This piece is going to be about 30 millimeters. maybe we should have to see also. 30 millimeters. Well, let's take a Sharpie and measure about where it is. So like here is good, perfect. Okay. So now we have a hole. What now? We want to make this hole bigger, of course, to be able to put in that little piston inside. So we have to bore this up to 20 millimeters, and I'm thinking I'm going like maybe 20 deep. If this piece is 30, I'm going 20 deep, so I can put in a piston that's 20 and you have 10 inside, something like that. I'm thinking. So okay, let's move on. Then I'm going to use this phenomenal boring bar. It's an end mill because I don't have this small boring bar. And I'm just gonna eyeball the height. It doesn't matter actually, as long as it's not too low. Oh, sorry. And in this case, I'm going to set it a little bit. I think I'm going to set it flat this time. It's going to work. So, yeah, let's roll. 20 deep. Should touch those, I know. So, let's make this bigger. So, where are we right now? We are at about 13 millimeters. So, I set my DRO, my homemade DRO, to 0, and then I have 30, and I want 20, and then it's 7 left, so let's make some cuts here. One more thing. Let's do it like this. So, put a dial on here so I can see when I'm at 0. So, perfect. So, should be close, and we went over, so now it's 20.84. That's great. What now? What went wrong? I know what went wrong. So now it's over 20. That is not nice. That's actually terrible. Yeah? Seems like Mr. BOZO was here anyway, so I don't want that. So what to do? I just make a piece out of 30 millimeters afterwards. So let's make this at least 21 then. It's about